Hey, what's up, AMP coin holder? What's going on this time? AMP price will be very badly decreased now. In last 12 hour, I check out, my friend. So therefore, if we check out in last 3 days, so I think in last 3 days, AMP condition is going very good now. That's mean to in last 12 hours. This is just an only temporary fail. But some holders are doing very huge mistake. To they are starting selling. So therefore, my friend, I will confirm you to this is temporary fails. Don't starting selling. Don't do this mistake. I hope, my friend, in upcoming time they will recover all the loss and give you a very good profit. So let's really get this coin, my friends, to in upcoming time the pump is coming soon or the dump is coming soon. This is very important also for all of you. So kindly try to understand. As you can see, my friends, AMB price will starting moving upward from last, you can see here 3 days, but absolutely as you can see here in last 24 hours the price is fails down. So I can't expect this from AMP coin, but definitely this is the reality now. So currently holders, everybody knows this, to when a market cap is decreasing, so absolutely the price will also decreasing. But when a market cap is increasing, absolutely the price will also increasing. So currently holder, I have one request from all AMP coin holder to please hold down. I hope, my friend, in upcoming time AMP will give you a very good profit. So don't miss this chance. Please take a risk and get a profit. Allah Hafiz, take care. See you next time.